In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a customer in WooCommerce. This tutorial can be particularly useful if you've encountered issues with certain customers and want to maintain a seamless shopping experience for others. Now, let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step guide together. To get started, head over to WordPress.com, where you can manage all the elements of your WooCommerce store. Having an account here is essential, so if you haven't already done so, create one before proceeding. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, move over to the Login section. You'll see the Login button clearly displayed. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard. This area is your command center for managing your entire website, including plugins and settings that enable WooCommerce functionalities. On the left-hand navigation panel, locate the Plugins option. Clicking on it will display a list of currently installed plugins on your site. Next, direct your attention to the top of this page where the Add Plugin button is located. Click on Add Plugin to open the WordPress plugin directory. This directory is full of thousands of plugins that you can integrate into your site for various functionalities. With the plugin directory now at your disposal, let's find the right tool to block customer accounts. Head to the search bar and type Block User Accounts for WooCommerce. This search will populate relevant plugins designed to help you manage customer interactions. Once the search results appear, look for the plugin titled DW Block User Account, a straightforward and reliable choice for handling customer restrictions. Click on this plugin to bring up more details about its features, ensuring it aligns with your needs for blocking customer accounts. After verifying your choice, proceed to install the plugin by clicking on the Install button. This process may take a few moments, but once complete, a new button will appear prompting you to activate the plugin. Click Activate to enable its features on your WordPress site immediately. And there you have it. With the DW Block User Account plugin activated, you now have the necessary tools to block any troublesome customer on your WooCommerce store effectively. Remember, maintaining control over your store's environment ensures other customers enjoy a smoother, more enjoyable shopping experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy managing!